Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into something that runs deep for so many of us, generational money trauma. So we're going to talk about how we can start to heal it through self-awareness, energy work, and divine connection. Because money isn't just about numbers in a bank account, it's about energy, safety, and the stories we've inherited, often without even realizing it. So if you've ever felt guilt around money, fear of not having enough, or anxiety about spending or receiving, you are not alone. And today we're going to start changing that. Generational money trauma is what happens when the financial fears and survival patterns of our ancestors get passed down to us, both emotionally and energetically. So maybe your grandparents struggled to get by, or maybe your parents worked constantly and still worried about money not being enough. Those patterns become invisible scripts, shaping how we think, how we earn, and even feel about our worth. But here's the beautiful part. You're the one who gets to stop the cycle. You get to write a new story, one based on abundance, ease, and self-trust. I want us to take a moment to breathe together. I want us to inhale peace and exhale tension. Now place your hand over your heart. Feel your breath, your heartbeat, your center. I want you to say quietly to yourself, I am safe now. I'm allowed to have enough. I'm allowed to rest in abundance. You can imagine a soft golden light filling your body, like warmth spreading through every cell. That light represents your divine connection, the energy that's always supporting you. Now picture that same light moving backward through time, touching the hearts of your parents, your grandparents, and everyone before them. Now say silently, I honor your journey. I release your fear. Thank you for getting me here. This is how healing begins, through compassion, not blame. So the next step is creating a new emotional relationship with money, one based on trust. So when you receive money, take a moment to breathe and say, thank you, I am open to more. When you spend money, say, I release this with gratitude. It always returns to me multiplied. It's not about forcing abundance. It's about aligning with your energy, safety, and self-worth. Because when your nervous system feels safe, abundance naturally flows. Okay, so let's end by bringing that energy back into your body. So take one more deep breath. Feel the weight of your body, the calm in your chest, the openness in your heart. Now repeat after me. I am the shift. I am the peace my family never had. I am open to receive freely and fully. You just started rewriting generations of energy simply by being aware, compassionate, and present. So if this resonated with you, give yourself credit for doing this work. Healing money trauma takes courage, and you're already doing it. So you can save this video and come back to this practice anytime you need to reset your energy. And if you'd like to keep exploring this kind of gentle spiritual healing, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, because we are creating a community where abundance feels safe, sacred, and real. So until next time, stay magical and may the wealth flow to you.